All right, so this is read number read to write of Gateway to the West, author's point of view. So remember, we are focusing in the beginning. The big question number three was how do the pictures help you? How do the pictures help you to better understand the text? So that's going to be the focus of writing.
It's time to answer one more big question. For this one, you need to write a longer answer. And as always, go back to the text to find evidence. Use these arrows to turn the pages.
All right.
How the illustrations help you understand what the text says you can see on a visit to the beach? What photos or maps would you add to the article? What would those illustrations help you understand? Write two paragraphs. Include information from the pictures and the text.
All right. So this extended response is a little bit different because you have to think. You have to go back into the text and say, I would really like to have some more information about, let's say, the tram. Okay, if I was writing this, I would probably say that I would like to see a photo of the inside of the tram car because the author, if you remember, the author really kind of focused on how tight it was and they weren't as as comfortable so it would really help me to understand what the inside of the tram car looked like to get a better feeling of how tight it actually was. All right, so you're going to have two paragraphs in this. The first one, you're going to answer the first question. How do the illustrations help you understand what the text says you see on a visit to the Gateway Art? So you're going to go back through, you're going to pick one picture, and you're going to talk about that picture, how it helps you to understand what you would see at the Gateway Arch. Now, the obvious picture that comes up is that very first picture. It's a great picture, and it really has a lot of uh, you know it really helps you to understand what the author is talking about. You can select that or you can select any of the other pictures as well. And then paragraph number two would be the second part. What photos or maps would you add to the article? And then what would those illustrations help you to understand? Write two paragraphs. So, what would you like to see more of the Gateway Arch? Okay, so paragraph number one is which photos or illustrations, as they call them, um, helped you to better understand the text. So pick one picture, write about how it helped you to understand. Don't forget, use that text evidence. Um, and then in paragraph number two, you're going to be writing about um, something that you would add. Now, you still need to use text evidence in paragraph number two. You need to say things like, in this section, the author describes the inside of the tram. I would like to know, it would help me to better understand uh, what the inside of the tram looks like if we saw an actual picture of the inside of the tram, something like that. Okay? All right. Good luck.